Hey Rod, what is a renovation loan and how does it work?
Hello and welcome to this edition of Mortgage Talk Live. My name is Rod Ferrier. I'm a licensed loan originator as well as a U.S. Navy veteran. Hey Zach, really good question, and honestly, that is a popular question that I'm receiving right now. Why? Well, there's a shortage of homes on the market. If you haven't noticed, homes are the toilet paper from 2020. You can't find them. They go under contract the day that they come on the market. So I have clients that are asking me about a renovation or a rehab loan. So what this does is it allows you to finance the money for the repairs. So a hypothetical, you're going to buy a house at $300,000 that has 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bath. But now you're going to add an extra master suite, another master bathroom. You're going to remodel your kitchen, upgrade the flooring, upgrade the carpet, do the painting, and maybe even some landscaping. So there's the FHA 203K. There's a streamlined version of the FHA rehab loan. There's the home style, which is conventional's renovation loan. And then we have one for VA that allows you to finance up to $35,000 for repairs and cosmetic. Now, the home style conventional renovation loan is the most comprehensive rehab loan out there. So you are able to make structural changes to the property. You can't bulldoze it off the foundation, but you can add a second story to it. You can even add a swimming pool. You can do a home office. I have clients who are buying homes and putting a home office in a homeschool area for their kids. So this is a really popular program for people who want to buy a home. They cannot find one that meets their needs, and now they are able to go customize a home to fit them and their family and their lifestyle. Does that make sense?
Yes, makes perfect sense. Very valuable information in today's market. I appreciate you.
If you or someone you know are looking to purchase a home, do me a favor and connect me with them. As a veteran, I support the American Warriors Initiative, which helps veterans in need. My objective is to help fund service dogs for 10 veterans in 2020. And these service dogs can cost anywhere from $10,000 to $40,000. And if you didn't know, 22 veterans commit suicide every day. Help me help those who serve. And also do me a favor, subscribe to my channel or like this video and show us some love.